last night. We had so much fun. We had so much fun. It was so much fun. I was there with you. And now it's over. Now she has to go home and play with her biscuit cat.
And we can't watch cyberbullying together.
I know. That means I'm gonna cry and she's gonna laugh and she watch it on her own. Why am I talking like this?
I still got the bird.
She's stupid. She just sinned.
Huh?
You just sinned.